Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show here about to help you how you actually start about to know everything that is still to be really satisfied with what is going on about, and how you can start to know everything that is still to be already something to know about when it's really every part it's on the way that we need on the server, on the ChatGPT, or anything that is related to AI features. To put it, to use the AI features, it's needed to be really like to have a progress that's ready through the next targets or next sites that we want actually to know about whenever we want to have a progress through our moment, when we ever want to have the way that we need actually through that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about start to click here on AI features, and then as you can see, you can actually start to have here AI features like removable AI, photos, connect, content, genius, anything that you want like to do is really related to the way what you're gonna see on the Figma, and this is really the best way that it's gonna help you a lot if you would like to start to continue on that progress, because it's already everything that is really related to the subject where you want actually to do. And that's all about, guys, to help you through this video. It's gonna be actually very important to help you in every single thing that you want, and that's all about here to help you through this video. And thank you for watching.